Hello everyone, I am Aditya Iyer, co-founder of NeoTrader, and I'm back with a brand new video to show you guys how you can make a lot of money from trading. That's what we want, right? We all want to pick the fastest moving stocks and earliest in the day so that we can earn maximum profits, but we're having some difficulty in identifying that stock, in getting in at the right time, getting out at the right time, basically just pocketing that profit. I would have that same problem, and I have found my solution in NeoTrader. And let me show you how. So this is the intraday page of NeoTrader, which gives you ready-made intraday trades. As you can see here, the sign says symbol. These are the list of stocks. The alerts long or short. Long means buy, short is sell. It comes time stamped, as you can see the date, year, and the time. The CESE trade came at 17th April at 10:42. You have the entry price here, and if you scroll, you will find that you have the uh, first target, second target, third target, and stop loss. So everything is ready-made and given to you on a platter, and I really wanted to come out and make this video because NeoTrader has been generating hits after hits after hits, week in and week out, and rewarding all our users with highly profitable trades, as you can see here. And um, this week has been no different. Multiple trades have been fired, and interestingly, we've got the best and the fastest moving stocks earliest in the day. And I want to really highlight these specific trades that came on Friday, because because these were the best movers of the day, and NeoTrader identified these trades earliest in the morning. So that was great. And let's see how these trades were generated. The first trade I would want to see is CESC. As you can see, it came on 17th April. It came twice, first at 9:39 in the morning and then at 10:42 a.m. Uh, this the first trade was generated at 5:40. We entered at 5:40. Then the second trade we entered at 555 rupees, and these were the two trades. We we booked a cool 3% return on trade one when it moved up and hit 563, and we exited the second trade at 570 and earned another 3% return. So we captured a combined 6% intraday return. And the best part is this whole return was intraday. So you could have done this trade with very little capital, and all you had to do was just click here and go and choose cash or FNO. And based on the online brokers, we've tied up with online brokers. So you can do one click trade execution either in cash or FNO. And you need very little margin to do these trades. The next trade we saw was Bharat Forge. Now, Bharat Forge was one of the top gainers of Friday. It moved up 20%. And we were here right at open. NeoTrader intraday generated the trade at 259.3, and it helped the users ride this whole wave. We booked the profit at 266. We got a cool 3% return even in this trade, but you could always trail your stop and capture the whole move. The best part is it identified the best moving stock right at open, and it gave us, it gave us these ready-made levels to choose from. So it solved our problem by identifying the best stock at open, and at the same time we also got the right levels, the right entry, the right targets, and the right stop loss. So and a seamless execution system as well. So no problem, only trading. The third stock I would want to highlight is Kotak Bank. Um, we first identified Kotak Bank as a STBT trade. So it fell here. It was identified as an STBT trade on 15th April. What followed was a gap down open the next day, so we could benefit from the entire fall and earn a good return. Then on Friday, it generated another short call at 1154 and helped the users exit at 1137, which was right at the open. The best part is it gave a precise exit at 1137, following which users could turn around and take the stock turned around. So it precise entry, precise exit, a cool 5% returns was made and combined both of these trades. We got like a 3% return in Bharat Forge, that is 8% cumulatively, and another 6% return in CESC, that takes it to 14%. And apart from that, you had some other trades here as well. But my point is, even if you allocated say 1 lakh per trade and you got a 14% return in 2 days, that's like a cool what 60-70,000 worth of profits just there, and that too intraday. So very little margin, and at the same time you could do it by only being in front of the screen for the first couple of hours of the day. That's it, just the first couple of hours you sit. That is the power of NeoTrader, that is the power of algos, and that is the power of the strategy that have been designed by Dr. CK Narayan. NeoTrader is a #1 software in India for trading, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video and you can use this software and explore this more to sort of earn the best possible returns. Thank you.